I don't like drywall and paint. It feels soulless. I feel like I'm kind of like in an insane asylum. It's like an incomplete project. It feels like you're still in a builder grade spec home, but the second you add like authentic craftsmanship materials like plaster or real hand-woven rugs, you just feel like you're transferring it from the builder grade spec home to a real home. We are here because we needed to add some soul. Who am I? Why is this the hardest question to answer? My name is Heather, and I'm from a lot of places, but currently living in Bozeman, and I own a vintage rug shop called District Loom. So at District Loom, we sell mostly vintage and antique, curated collection of rugs, and that is representative of the old world. And so to bring in authentic old world feeling, I wanted to bring in more materials from that craftsmanship, from that heritage, from that age. So after working in the studio that I dreamed up and designed and integrated plaster into, it just felt really good every time I walked into work. You feel held, you feel calm. Coming into this new build house, I found that it was really echoey and kind of devoid of that hug that I felt when I was going to work. So I wanted to bring a little bit of that here. So here at the house, we wanted to start small but impactful. The two places that we picked are like part of our living space, part of our kitchen space where we experience every day. And we applied it to above the fireplace and above the hood range. I wanted to do it myself, so Plaster Portal came through. I heard about the Plaster Portal on Instagram. I love following Age Artisans to see what they're up to. So when I saw that they offered a way to do it yourself, I reached out. So the Plaster Portal not only gives you like all of these insane tutorials that you can trust, but it also makes it super easy because I kind of was starting to get a little nervous, like I don't have that tool or this tool. And then I found that there's like a way to rent everything. They kind of bundle it and make it even easier because not all of us have trowels, you know? One thing I really love about the Plaster Portal is that they're continuing to add new content. So if we get into a little snafu and I chip an edge or something when we're installing our Christmas tree, I have that access still to go on and learn how to repair. I think at the price of like $75, it's negligible from free. There's no barrier of entry because there was a small fee associated, but what really drew me in was like they're actual professionals out in the field, and I've seen their work firsthand applied in my showroom, and it's held up really well. So I trust them. Whether you're local or far away, they're accessible to answer and kind of coach you through if you have any hang-ups. This project transformed my understanding of plaster by really breaking it down into steps. I also thought it was like restricted to just artisans and professionals and that it couldn't be done by someone with limited or no experience. But by breaking it down and really making each step super clear, it's like small achievable goals and you can do it. I think if you're plaster curious and you're on the fence, I would say just reach out and get the conversation going. And you're gonna be validated that there's so much information, knowledge, and helpful people behind it that you have absolutely nothing to lose. You just gotta go for it.